Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect BOOKMAP to TradingView, or how to get BOOKMAP on TradingView. And I'm a guy that wants to solve problems. And when you click on this video, you think that you can connect BOOKMAP directly to TradingView. But if I go right here to TradingView and I search right here for trade and search here for BOOKMAP, it's not possible, guys. So what you need to know is you can use right here a BOOKMAP to do your analysis, or create right here a account that you can trade right here in BOOKMAP itself. And what I want to suggest you is please use right here also TradingView to do your analysis. So combine both. But it's not possible to connect BOOKMAP right here in TradingView like I showed you. So use TradingView right here to do your analysis in combination with BOOKMAP. And that is the best way how to do your analysis with BOOKMAP and TradingView combined, and how you can work together. So maybe this was not the video where I was looking for, but I'm here to solve problems and tell you the truth instead of doing on clickbait and telling stuff that is not true. So hopefully this was a little bit the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.